Namaste, all my friends in India. Do you know the best MLM company to start in India in 2023? Can you guess? Stay tuned and I will tell you about this amazing company. Welcome, the best MLM company in India in 2023 is LiveGood Business, and these are my reasons. LiveGood is a membership club where members buy at wholesale prices. At this time, LiveGood sells only supplements, health supplements, and they have some of the best health supplements on the face of the earth. However, LiveGood can sell any product. They can go into online, they can go into trading, they can do any kind of product actually. They can go into clothing line, because what they have done is to just get a membership site. Right now, in 4 months, this company have well over 250,000 members. LiveGood just started in December, and they use a power line where everybody just fall into a straight line. This is the best business for 2023. Why do I like LiveGood? Why am I saying it's the best MLM business in 2023? These are some of the reasons. One, as a member, you have a choice whether you want to buy the product or you don't want to buy the product. So whatever product LiveGood brings our way, you have the choice to say, I want to buy this product or I don't want to buy. Products are not forced on you. Not like some other MLM company where you have to buy product every month. Whether you need the product or you don't need the product, the company do not care. But LiveGood cares. So if you don't need the product, do not buy the product. If you need the product this month, buy. If you don't need it the following month, do not buy. Nobody is going to force anything down your throat. For two reasons. The product is very affordable compared to other MLM companies in the world. They use a membership club and they made the product very affordable for their members. I will take CBD oil, just one of the products. In LiveGood, for members, CBD oil is just $18. For non-members, CBD oil is $28. But CBD oil for most companies is $80, even to their members. And some even sell as high as $100. But for us, it is $18. What about our protein shake? Protein shake is $22 for members. And for non-members, it's $34. But if you go to some other companies, protein shake is as high as $80 or $90. So the products of LiveGood are very affordable to members of LiveGood. Number 3, you are not forced to sell. Hey, this got me. I am a trainer, I'm a writer. But I want to do MLM as a side hustle, so I can, of course, multiple streams of income. However, I do not want to sell products. Do not tell me to sell supplements. I want to just buy supplements to use and tell my friends, they go to the company. If they wish to get the products, they buy the product, the company sells to them, and I'm paid my commission. But in LiveGood, you remember we run a membership club. If your friends come in, they join as a member and decide what they want to do. If you are in LiveGood, you can decide to be a member and never buy the product, never sell the product, or you can decide to be, oh, I'm a member, I want to buy the product for personal use. I buy LiveGood products for personal use. Oh yeah, I buy LiveGood products for personal use, not for sell. And you can also say, oh, I have a spa, or I'm an health practitioner. I would like to join LiveGood just to buy the product to give to my clients, my customers. That works. So LiveGood gives us the freedom to choose how we want to run the business. I run the business as a member. I connect other members to LiveGood and I make good money. And I also buy the product for personal use because, of course, I want to live good. I do not want to be the person that sells people to heaven, and I'm not in heaven myself. So I buy the product for my personal use. So, but in Live Good, you do not have to sell product. Number 4, there is no balancing of legs. There is no thing like, oh, you have a binary system where, oh, the whole of your left leg is filled up because you're an active network marketer or an active member, so all your left leg is filled up. You have to balance your right leg before you make money. Hell no, that does not happen in Live Good. In Live Good, with everyone, even if you have only one person, that one person is very active, you will continue to make the money. So everywhere people fall in your structure, anywhere someone falls in your matrix, you will be paid. As far as a person pays its membership fee, you will be paid. So how do you become a member of LiveGood? For the first month, we advise that you sign up as an affiliate and as a member. So all you need to pay is $50. Then subsequently, you pay $10 membership fee. Or for those of us that we want to get in all the way, we paid for 1 year. So all you do is pay $140 for 1 year to be a member of LiveGood. Number 5 reason why LiveGood is the best MLM in the world in 2023 is that you do not need to buy a higher package. In some MLM companies, you'll be told that if you want to buy products, you need to buy higher package. So you will need to buy 1,000, maybe they will have different ranges. So if you buy the one of $40 or $50 or $100, this is how you can earn. If you buy the one of $500, this is how you can earn. If you buy $1,000, this is how you can earn. That does not happen in LiveGood. In LiveGood, no matter everybody in LiveGood, everyone is starting at the same pace. So you're doing the $50 for 1 month and pay your $10 monthly fee, or you do the $140. Everybody is just paying $10 monthly fee, and we are all earning the same way. We are all going to. So it is how you rank. In LiveGood, it depends on how the effort you put in. And that makes it fun for us. You're not thinking of going to get a loan because you want to do a business. You're not thinking of going to, get someone to give you so much money. You're not going to think of going to take your savings just because you want to do a business. That is not happening. That's not happening in LiveGood. We're not going to kill ourselves to make the money to come and to get the money to come and put in a product company. And you know the funniest part, when they give you the products, sometimes you're confused. You don't even know what to do with products. And so many times the product just gets expired in your home. But yeah, you join a membership club and decide if you need the product, you go get the product. If you don't need it, don't bother. Just enjoy what we have to offer you in the club. So LiveGood is indeed the best MLM company in the world in 2023. If you're watched so far and you're getting value, please remember to subscribe, share, like, share to the people in India. Let the people in India see this video. Start growing your team with this video. There's so much money to be made. We make money in dollars. So how do you get to be part of this membership club? Click the link in the description button and take your talk for free. You can just get started for free and see what we are doing. If you love what we are doing, then you can decide to pay. So what do you pay for a membership? First is that there's an affiliate fee of $40, which is a one-time fee. So in your first month, you're going to pay $50. However, you can pay for 1 year, like I did, and that is $140 for 1 year. $140 is 11,530 rupee, while $50 is 4,500 rupee, and that's what you get to pay to join this amazing opportunity. But click the link in the description right now and get started for free. As you go on, you get to understand this business, and you can join my WhatsApp group. Click the WhatsApp group, keep the link to the WhatsApp group. You can join my WhatsApp group so you understand the business. You can ask me all your questions. I'll be happy to guide you. Yes, I can guide you in this business, but right now I'm a platinum member and I do training for my members. Every day we have Zoom meetings. Every day, every morning and evening, we do Zoom meeting, and I will be glad to guide you to success in this business. There is so much money, so much dollars to be made in this business. LiveGood is the best MLM company in India in 2023. See you. Bye.